All right, we're back at it again. We're doing another Ducati lost key replacement. This one's going to be a 2013 Ducati 848. This one came out of Cali. So basically, here's the plan of action. First thing we're going to do, decode the ignition lock, figure out what the existing cuts are, make a key, make sure, after we cut the key, make sure it turns nice and smooth in the lock. After that, once we confirm that's good, then we're going to go phase two, program the chip data into the dashboard. That way, the anti-theft system will allow the bike to start. So that's basically the gist. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. This puppy is done. 2 brand new keys cut from scratch. We figured out what the ignition lock was. We decoded it. Key number 1, key number 2. You might notice when you receive keys back from me, they'll have numbers. That indicates to me how the order that I programmed it, and it's a check and balance for me, basically. So I'm going to read the data from this chip. I'm going to have the data for this chip. So when I write the chips into the system, I can verify that this is what I put in there. The key, that the chip that's in this key, and the same goes for this one. So that's just me verifying and making sure that when you receive the parts, it works, or at least the keys are programmed into the dash. If you're already having issues with your dash, then that's something you're going to have to fix on the electrical end. But my job is to make sure the keys are programmed in the system, ready to rock if the bike's 100% ready to rock. So here we go. Let's get to on, off, steering bolt lock, park. Next key. Unlock steering bolt lock, on, off. So at this point, everything's plug and play. Really not much to say about this. It's ready to rock. So this customer will be back up and riding the next couple of days. Get ready to ship it back. You need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. Keep in mind, I'm not a motorcycle mechanic, so I don't fix electrical issues, stuff like that. Most of the time, I don't even have to power up the dashboards. I just program the data where it needs to be. So that's about it. Those of you that call me and say y'all having problems finding people in your area, or y'all can't understand why people in your area can't do it, couple logical reasons. One, the person in your area probably don't get a lot of these calls, so it doesn't make sense. It's definitely not a good business decision to go out buy a bunch of equipment to get ready for a job that you ain't getting calls for. Or 2, people just don't have the equipment, and 3, maybe they just don't have the training. So it could be any one of those reasons. Like for me, if I wasn't getting a lot of calls for Ducatis, I wouldn't have the equipment. I would just turn the jobs down and just say I can't do it and move on. But I do it. So you need my help, give me a call, and I'll tell you what to send me, how long it's going to take, what it's going to cost. So go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Appreciate y'all for watching. Catch y'all on the next one.